When you are ready to add your form to your Google Classroom, select the classroom that you want and then click on the Classwork tab. Click Create, Assignment, and give your assignment a title. You can select particular students to receive this quiz, allowing for differentiation, or the default is for all students. Instructions here are optional, but could be a good reminder for students as to which resources they are and are not allowed to use. It could also serve as a reminder as to what they're supposed to do following the quiz. A key component is that you give this quiz a grade. My quiz was worth 4 points because it had 4 questions, each worth 1 point. So I'm going to go ahead and keep the point value the same. If you select ungraded, you'll be unable to import the grades later. I'm not going to set a due date, and it is not required. Currently, I have no topics. Here's a good time to go ahead and create one. Since this is a history quiz, I'm going to go ahead and create the topic. In order to add your form, click on the Drive icon, and then if you've been building your quiz recently, it will show up here. I see it right here, so I can go ahead and select it. Otherwise, you can do a keyword search, or you can click on My Drive. Once it has been added to your classroom, you're not quite done. Down here in the bottom left, if your district is able to see a Grades tab in your classroom, this is currently in beta. It's not full-blown yet, but I do anticipate that it will be. By having this toggle on, you'll be able to bring all of the grades from the quiz back into Classroom. You can see that my district also has the option of using the locked mode for the Chromebooks. These are only for district managed Chromebooks. If you would like to try this, go ahead and click this toggle switch on. Your final step is to decide whether or not you're ready to assign this quiz. If you're not, select this schedule and then choose the day and time that works for this quiz. Keep in mind that once you schedule it or you go ahead and assign it, the quiz will show up and be available for students to take at that time. If you're not ready and you're unsure when you will have your students take this quiz, go ahead and save it as a draft. You can quickly enable it and assign it to your students at a later date. I'm ready, so I'm going to go ahead and click Assign. And I'll see it show up under my new History tab. Now my students are ready to take the quiz.